Malindi Beach Management has launched the Malindi Beach Management Unit program to promote an environmentally friendly town. The plastic waste collected will be used as means to generate income to the residents in the surrounding environs and those taking part in the monthly cleanup of the town.
An estimated 14 million tons of plastic ends up in the ocean every year, as plastic makes up 80% of all marine debris found from surface waters to deep sea sediments, a report by the International Union for Conservation of Nature notes. Malindi town is at the front line of transforming its environs through buying plastic waste collected by the beach and selling them for income. Malindi BMU chairman Yunus Aboud says the cleanup exercise is being undertaken by the youth.
Tuko na mfadhili ambaye uko na hili shirika la kuchukua hizi tupa wakifanya recycling. Kwa hivyo ni faida kwetu huku tukifanya usafi, at the same time tunapata kitu kidogo kwa hizi plastic.
The project, which began last year, is geared at saving marine life. Yunus is urging stakeholders to take advantage of the market and collect any form of plastics, which is another form of income generation.
Ukweli ni kwamba nimefurahi sana kwa vijana kama hawa wamekuwa na bidii kuokota hizi plastic, na ukiangalia ufuo wetu si kama ulivyokuwa leo. Alhamdulillah, ufuo umekuwa msafi kabisa.
Stakeholders from the Progress Welfare Association of Malindi, PWAM, lauded the move to clean the beachfront where a lot of waste was converted into raw material. Jumbojet airline partner Ivan Zowino hailed the efforts of the community, stating that it would help attract tourists, boosting their overall socio-economic growth.
Of course, we are a big player here in Malindi, and besides just bringing passengers, we're also very interested in what we can do with the community here.
Ndutamo Kame for Lunchtime News.